Former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu broke down on Friday as he walked out of the State Assembly, vowing not to re-enter the House for the rest of its term. He left the House hurt over abusive comments that YSR Congress Party members allegedly made about his wife. 71-year-old Naidu fought back tears for a few moments before choking up and crying with his hands covering his face during a debate on women empowerment in the Assembly. The TDP said in a statement that Naidu likened the Assembly to Kaurav Sabha and decided to boycott it till 2024 in protest against the ugly character assassinations by YSRCP ministers and MLAs. Naidu said, "What is more unfortunate is that the Speaker remained a mute spectator when the ruling party members were hurling abuses, even dragging my wife's name. He did not even give me an opportunity to speak and make a statement on my decision to stay away from the Assembly for the rest of the term. I had to fight for my right."
ఆవిడెప్పుడు రాజకీయాలపైన ఆసక్తి లేదు. ఇప్పటికి కూడా 40 ఏళ్ళ తర్వాత వాళ్ళ నాన్న ముఖ్యమంత్రిగా ఉన్నా నేను సుదీర్ఘకాలం
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.